To DJ's Prestige Sports, we've just acquired this lovely facelift Nissan Qashqai Tekna, top of the range, beautiful grey colour, front park distance control, facelift front, diamond cut alloy wheels. As you can see, the paint was in lovely condition. It's got privacy glass to the rear park distance control. Sorry about the rain. Trying to get the best I can, but as you can see, it really is an absolutely lovely looking car. The boot, tell when a car's been looked after when it's got a boot protector in it like that. Rear parcel shelf, lovely half leather interior, that's all in lovely condition. Got the panoramic roof, just open that up. Electric front and rear windows, electric mirrors, Bose stereo, electric seats. It's done 94,033 miles. Cover away from that. Lovely panoramic roof, 6-speed gearbox, cruise control. Facelift front, so we've got the map for the satellite navigation, reverse camera with the park distance control, air conditioning, back to your menu, audio, so it's got DAB, Bluetooth, really is in lovely condition, heated seats, 2 keys, centre armrest. But yeah, sounds lovely as well. Multifunction steering wheel. At DJH we provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.